Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We're still in Cane Creek Falls State Park here in Tennessee. We're going to the Betty Dunn Nature Center. And you can hear waterfalls all around us. Because now, today, we're on the Cane Creek side of the park. Yesterday, I think we were mostly around the Fall Creek side of things, and then before that, the lake. Stormwater mitigation. Man, it just poured down raining here a few minutes ago. Here's the Nature Center. This is the lodge. Visitor Center. There's the campground. And there's Cane Creek Falls. 29,000 acre park. It's enormous. I'm sure that's Cherokee. Not sure what it means though. Was there anything in there?
No.
Oh.
It's the stamp for after hours. Ooh.
Wow. Hey, look. RC Cola. That's beautiful. Hey, look, we're relaxing at the Betty Dunn Nature Center.
We are.
Yeah.
My knee's killing me.
You got the measles?
I do have the measles.
On my knee?
On my knee, New York.
On my knee, New York. I've been there. Don't climb. The wall does lend itself towards climbing. It tells you the history of this area dating back to Native American times, early woodland. That predates Mississippian, which predates tribal Indians such as the Cherokee.
So woodlands were here as well?
Yep.
Wow. Look at this moonshine still.
Man, you know, we need one of these.
Yeah, we do.
We've got some land in the country now. We wouldn't be Southerners if we didn't build our own little still.
Can we?
You ready to do it?
Yeah.
You gonna put it in a jug like Granny
I
with,
will put it
with
in a
X's
jug.
marked on it?
I will put it in a jug.
Like that kind of jug? Mm-hmm.
We got to figure out how to make the pineapple flavored one though.
Yeah. That rug will keep you from barely getting cold.
This wasn't woodland there.
No.
Stars of nature around Cane Creek Falls are the wild ones. There's a side of a shy beaver. You might at least see its home.
Man, look at the ceiling
His home to all
in the
of
theater
them.
room.
And we are their guests. And as guests at the park, you and your family.
Wonder more. Cane Creek Falls. We could get Zoe that, and Alexander that, and JJ. Breath Hiking Club. Yeah, I'm a member of that. Out behind the Betty Dunn Nature Center, there's several trails that lead out to different areas. We're going to take this one to a short overlook. Right there.
Yeah,
Cane Creek Cascades. That is beautiful. Wow. Want to jump in? Let's go. That would be deadly and stupid. Man, that is breathtaking. Look at all that water. It is beautiful when it hasn't been raining, but that is just majestic after all the rain we've received. Imagine what it must have been like 2,000 years ago to be a Native American hunting in this area. They wouldn't have lived here. Terrain would have been way too difficult. And I'm sure they would have traveled here and hunted here. Woo! That was a hike, or stair climb. I always bring a bottle of water. Always bring a bottle of water. Paula did.
I need a Dasher Adventure sticker that has the Bronco on it because this matches the color of the Bronco.
It does, doesn't it? Look at this. Oh, wow. Come on, honey, you can do it.
I'm not talking about me. Oh!
Oh, no, this one, it gets squirrely. Look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. All these people over here waiting to go across. And that's gorgeous.
Oh, God.
Oh. Wow! How you doing, honey?
Not good.
Hey, how you doing?
No, not good. Go, go, go. Please
Huh?
go. Please
It's
go.
wobbling. Check out the view from over
Y'all
here.
have a great day.
This lady's really nice. Sharing in Paula's being afraid of heights. They are too.
The
And they're doing it.
The lady in front scared of heights as well.
I know, right? And she's doing it. These little clamps. That's all that's holding this thing together. Just those little clamps, see?
See, that's why I felt better about the bridge the other day.
Oh yeah, the other day because it
The
was
other day because
massive.
it had lag bolts.
Yeah. This is just chicken wire.
Well,
Well, we've got the cable. Suspension cables are strong.
okay, look
Yeah.
at the lag bolts up there.
Yeah, and then you got this massive system. It's safe. Let's go.
Are we going now? While they're on there?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Here we go. Back across this beautiful suspension bridge. Leaning a little to the left, but that's okay. It straightens out when you get towards the middle. I mean, no worries if you fall, you're just going in the water. And then you got to keep yourself from going over Cane Creek Falls or Cascades. Cane Creek Falls are actually up there somewhere.
Oh no.
You okay? You okay?
Ooh. Please don't do that. Please.
I'm not doing it.
Oh God.
The trick's not to hold on to anything.
Oh.
Then it's fun.
Oh.
Look at it sliding back and forth down here. All right. Man, that was a blast. Cane Creek Falls State Park came to life when Tennessee was looking to protect these lands in the early 1900s. And then the CCC, what was that? The Citizen Conservation Corps?
Yes.
So the New Deal, we're building parks all across the country, and Tennessee had the CCC come out and build Cane Creek Falls. Many of the trails, roads, and hiking trails here were all built, buildings were built by the CCC back in 1935. Of course, it's been updated over the years. Hey, look at this. Those kids just went over the suspension bridge about 30 minutes ago and hiked up there. That's cool. Look at that. You can't see it from here, but man. Maybe that's Cane Creek Falls. We'll have to look it up and see.
Wow.
It's that way.
I love the way the creek goes out through there.
I know. That's the area that reminds me of Yellowstone,
Oh, it does.
doesn't it?
That does.
That's beautiful. Cane Creek and Rockhouse Creek Falls. Cane Creek has meandered over the hard and sandstone of the Cumberland Plateau for many years. All surface water in the park included neighboring 120 feet tall Rockhouse Creek Falls, which was what we just filmed. Eventually pours into Cane Creek to form this cool, clear stream. This powerful force has helped shape and carve the rugged landscape around you and the deep gorge below. That is beautiful. All right, it's blue sky days with rain clouds about every 15 to 20 minutes, keeping everything wet and glistening. But it's been a magical day so far.
I'm
Paula
coming.
has the measles.
Slowly but surely. Ooh, look at those picnic tables.
Guys, we appreciate you watching every one of our videos and going on all these little adventures that we take you on with us. We'll see you guys in the comments. And like John Colley does, if you've got any recommendations of places to visit, let us know in the comments. All right, we'll see you guys next time.
Good afternoon, everyone.
See ya. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye-bye.
Bye.
Who says that?
Hello, goodbye. All right. Heading back out on Highway 30.